Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone 16e is real or not. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. Alright, let's jump right in. So you may want to check the status of the iPhone 16e. Maybe you're buying a used phone and you want to make sure it's a real phone before handing the money over. Or maybe you already bought a phone and you want to just make sure that it is a real iPhone. So this is super simple. All you have to do is you're going to find the IMEI of the phone. So how we're going to do this is we're going to go to settings. Here in settings, we're going to go to about. And then here in about, we're going to scroll all the way down and we're going to have two IMEI numbers. We're going to be using the first one. All right, so with the IMEI, we're going to go to this website here, which is imei.info. There's going to be a link down below to it in case you want to check it out. And here's where we're going to enter that first IMEI. So I'm going to go ahead and type it in. All right, once it's fully typed in, select check IMEI. Give it a few seconds, verifying if I am a human. Success, I am a human. And there you go. So here are the results. So it says iPhone 16e, Apple, the model number A3212, and here is the exact IMEI. Okay, so if you get a message like this, and here's also going to show you more information about the iPhone 16e. But if you do get this message, then congratulations, your iPhone is a real Apple iPhone 16e. All right, everyone, so that is how you check the authenticity of your Apple iPhone 16e. Go ahead, hit the like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know if it did. All right, I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.